These days, almost every animation site we used to love has one thing in common. They are no longer free. One by one, they've all locked their best features behind a paywall, and it can feel like you need a subscription just to bring your creativity to life. But what if I told you there is still one powerful tool out there, totally free and totally mind-blowing? Can you believe I animated these stunning videos, anime, Ghibli, cinematic, even Pixar style for absolutely free? No credit tricks. In this tutorial, I'm introducing you to a hidden gem called Animate AI, where you can generate high-quality images and animate them all in one place. Here is the first step. Go to Chrome browser or any of the browser that you prefer, but I prefer using Chrome browser. Type Animate AI. So when you type it, you select search. Alright, so this third one, this particular one is the one that you are working with. Alright, so this is the option where you sign up. You can either use your email or you use your Google. You can use your Google account and sign in. So I've already signed in before, so that is why it's explained like that. So before we commence with this, I will go to Pixar to generate my images, or I could use Gemini AI. So we are coming back again. So in order to give us a quality images, so let's type Pixar. Or better still, let's use Pixar. Alright, this is a free site where you can still generate your images. It's totally free. Don't need to pay anything. So select generate. Now in this Pixar, if you haven't signed in before, it's either use your Google account or you type in your email. And you select the account that you prefer. Alright, we are here. So they gave me free coins. Alright, so this is where we're going to generate our images. Okay, you explore. This is where you type in your prompt. So you describe the prompt, the kind of thing that you want. Alright, I've typed in my prompt. Next thing is to select here. So in this Pixar, this is where you change your aspect ratio. You could either use 9:16 or 16:9 or any other choice you desire. It depends on what you're working with. Alright, so I've paste in another prompt here. Then we generate here. It doesn't take time, your image will be ready. Yes, that's how fast it is. Alright, so this is the next image I generated. Okay. Just select these 3 dots, you'll see where you download it. Alright, this is another image I generated. As you can see, it has how many legs. So if you don't like this, you can still resend it to give you a better result. Good, this is better. Alright, I'll try more prompts. So these are the images I created with Pixar. Pixar is a very good site where you can generate quality images in which you can animate them and use for your kids story or other stories. So in case you need most of these prompts, just let me know your you join the my Telegram channel. That's where I'll be dropping the prompt. All right. Okay. We are done with this generating the images. All right. I'm okay with this ones that I've generated. Then we'll go back to Animate AI to animate them. All right. We've gone back to Animate AI, where we'll be animating them. All right. This site doesn't require any VPN. You can access it for free. Then the first thing to do is to type in this plus sign. When you type in this plus sign, they'll give you an option like text to image or image to anim. This image to anim means you animating them. All right. So this is where you select your aspect ratio. You see here, you change your aspect ratio to 16:9. That's if you're working towards 16:9 project. All right. So that is it. This quantity is being displayed here. That is the amount of animation you need, but you select one because these two will not work unless you're using the paid version. But this is completely free. You don't need to pay any money for this. So let's dive in. The first thing to do here is to select image to anim. Then all you have to do is to select upload asset. You upload this. You select upload. Then those images you've generated. So the image is uploading. So this is the image. Then you type in your prompt. Alright, after typing in your prompt, the next thing to do is to generate. Remember, I finished animating them. Then you see what I'm talking about. So these are most of the works I did with it. Let me show you. So this is it. This is the quality of the animation. Can you see that? Look at this one. All right. Unfortunately, it didn't accept the images I got from Pixar. It says it requires PNG images. So let's go to Gemini AI. Let's go to Gemini AI. Remember, in this site, you have to turn on your VPN. Without your VPN, it will work. But it's just that if you want your video, you want to animate with your video and avatar, it will not work. So let's paste in our prompts here. So this is where we change the aspect ratio. Okay. So you can only generate images here with Gemini to generate 4 images for you. Okay. The image is ready. So this is the image. All right. So I would advise you, if you want to generate your image, go to Gemini or any other site, since Animate is rejecting images generated from Pixar. Right. So that is it. Just let me know. I'll be dropping the Telegram channel, then you can access the prompts there. These are the images. If you tap on it, if you're getting value already, don't scroll past. Smash that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with a fellow creator who needs this. Turn on notifications so you never miss more free AI tutorials like this. It's like this, you download it. You are done generating the images, so it's time to animate all of them. Remember what I told you? You select image to anim. Then if you want to generate images, so you can generate yours, but I went to Gemini to generate quality images. So what we are doing here is just to animate. All right. So once you've uploaded your image here, this is where you type in your prompt. All right. Okay, remember? Okay, so let's generate. It will take for some minutes to generate. It won't waste too much time. This video is ready. Tap on it and see it come alive. Video is ready. All you have to do is to tap on it. Tap on it. You can as well upload. You can as well animate more. Okay, if you go to general history, that's where you see your video. If you go to general history, you tap on image 2. Tap on image to anime. You click here, you see the videos that you animated. Alright. Let's animate more. It's quite simple. Just choose the character you want. Alright. You type in your prompt. Once it must have been uploaded, you hit generate. It's uploaded, so generate and wait for some minutes. Your video will be ready. Alright. This is it. This is how you animate all your images. If you need to animate your images, it is very simple. Alright. This is ready. Just tap on it. This is how to animate your images, your anime images, your Ghibli images, your Pixar images, and your cinematic images. Alright. If you're getting value already, don't scroll past. Smash that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with a fellow creator who needs this. Turn on notifications so you never miss more free AI tutorials like this. So that's how I've been animating my videos for free using Animate AI. No subscription, no complicated steps, just creativity unleashed. Whether you love anime, cinematic vibes, or Pixar style storytelling, this tool gives you the freedom to create your dream scenes with ease. Don't forget to drop a comment if you have questions and let me know what you will be animating first. And if you want access to even more tutorials, templates, and free tools, be sure to join my Telegram channel link in the description. Thanks for watching. Now, go create something amazing. Bye.